Ntask project management tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Ntask and if Ntask is better than Monday.com and ClickUp. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is just come to ntaskmanager.com and you will land on this platform. Ntask is an amazing project management software that enables your teams to collaborate, plan, analyze, and manage your everyday tasks. So to get started with Ntask, all you have to do is just sign up for free. You can just sign up with your Facebook, Google, or Twitter. So once you sign up for Ntask, you will land right here on this dashboard. So before we get started with Ntask and we create our first workspace, let me just show you the pricing real quick so you will have an idea that if Ntask is affordable or not and how much you're going to pay for that. So you can see right here, this is the pricing for Ntask, and let me tell you guys, it's super cheap. You can see the basic plan is completely free and it gives you 100 MB storage, 5 member per team, unlimited workspaces, unlimited task, meetings, timesheets, and issue tracking. After that, there is a premium plan which is just $3 per month per user, and it gives you up to 5 GB storage, project and bulk action, custom filters as well. After that, there is a business plan which is $8 per user per month, and it allows you up to 10 GB storage, save custom filters and custom status, and you get your own templates and custom roles and permissions as well. And then there is, of course, your enterprise, which is, the customized plan in which you can actually customize your features and the pricing will be customized as well. So if we talk about the pricing of Ntask, super cheap, cheaper than Monday.com and cheaper than ClickUp. So that's actually a win-on-win situation right here. First point for Ntask because it is super cheap. Now, if we talk about the features for Ntask, I am right now at the dashboard for Ntask. I just created it and you will see right here when you will sign up for your Ntask. So first things first, we're going to need a workspace. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create your first workspace. You will simply click right here. Now give your workspace a name. Let's just call it explain the socials, and this is going to be my workspace URL. This is pretty good. I'm getting my own workspace URL. Pretty good. I'm going to create workspace. So once I click on create workspace, now Ntask has actually created my workspace right here. It will just open up my dashboard for my workspace. This is what the dashboard for a workspace looks like. Now I'm going to skip for now. I'm not going to book a demo. So you can see right here, these are the different options that we get. So let me show you around. Members. Right here, you will actually see all of the members that you add into your workspace. To add a new member, all you have to do is just add their email address and the members are added right here, and you will see the list right here in this side of the screen. After that, there is a project option where you will be seeing all of your projects. Boards. In boards, we will be seeing our boards. Task, of course, where we will be creating and we will be able to see our task list. Meetings, where I can actually create different meetings. Timesheet, issues, risk, and settings. After that, add new. This add new option actually adds a new workspace into my team, and this is my profile, my logo, and yeah, that's basically it. It's super easy to use, and then I can actually turn on notification as well. So let's create our first task. All you have to do is click on add new task and give your task a name. Let's just call it task 1. There you go. And I'm going to enter. Once I do that, you will actually see now my first task is added. What I can do is I can actually select it, and what's going to happen is I can just give any status to this task. For example, there are different tags that you can actually add to your task. For example, not started, in progress, in review, completed, and cancelled. This is a new update actually on Ntask. Before this, they do not have this. After that, you can see it's not started. So let's just say that my task 1 is in progress. So I will just simply change the tag to in progress. Okay, there you go. After that, if I want to select a particular date for my task, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just select it right here. You can see right here that I can actually change the status of my task according to the priority. If it's high, I will simply, click on high. If it's low, I can, do that. After that, you will actually see the status how much of your task is done, what percentage of your task is done. So you will see the status of how much you have done your task right here. So this is how basically you create a task. Now here's the thing, on ClickUp and on Monday.com, you can actually do a lot with your task when it comes to, getting your task customized and adding all of these information. Unfortunately, on Ntask, you can actually do a lot with your task, but again it comes to the point where you will actually require more options. But Ntask is basic and very beginners friendly, I must say. It doesn't take you long to kind of figure out what to do. After that, if I go to projects, I can actually go ahead and create a project of my own. It is actually in the upgrade plan. If I want to create different projects, then there is a board option where I can actually create different boards for my different tasks. So once I have all the tasks right here, I can actually add as many tasks as I want to. All I have to do is click on add task. Let's just add task 2 and click enter, and your task is created. So you can just say that these are my tasks that are in progress. After that, there is a meeting option that you get, in which you can actually add your new meeting. All you have to do is click on add new meeting, and you add your meeting title. For example, call it meeting, and then click on press enter. Then I can actually add the status for this meeting, the details for the meeting, of course. What is the date for the meeting? Let's just say it's on 3. The starting time will be 8 a.m. Task options. Now I can actually add different tasks to my meetings. For example, if the task 2 is involved in the meeting, I will simply add task 2. If it's a task 1, I will add that. So I'm going to add task 1. Let's just say that task 1 is involved in the meeting. Duration for the meeting, that this is pretty good. Let's just say it's going to be a 2 hours meeting, not more than that. Okay. Location, you can actually add location for your meeting, of course. So location is just gonna be simple. Let's just say participants. Now I can actually, I will add all of the team members that are going to be participating, and once I add their email address right here, what's going to happen is they will actually get the invitation. Then agenda, I can actually add agenda. Let's just say, so once it's done, all I have to do is click on send invites to the different task members. For example, all of the members that will be here, they will actually get this invitation to the meeting. You will see the information right here, time, date, and location. Pretty simple. If I want to get a grid view, if I want to get a calendar view, this is pretty good. A calendar view is also available. You don't need to add any integrations. For example, in some of the project management softwares, you actually have to add the integration for the calendar, but with the Ntask, that's not the case. So you can just check out your calendar view right here. Then there is a timesheet option where you can add tasks according to your time. If you have different deadlines, if you have any pending and approved, you will see them right here. Issues, where you can actually add your first issues, your different projects. When we are working in a team, there are different issues that we want to add. Risk, if you want to add any, this is available in the upgrade. So this is basically all the different features that you get in Ntask. Super easy to use, a very beginners friendly. The pricing is cheap, and if we compare it to Monday.com and ClickUp, I would say it has all the features that they offer. Of course, it's not that much upgraded according to them. For example, in ClickUp, you can actually if you increase to upgraded plans, if you get along with ClickUp and you have an idea how to use it, you actually can do a lot with that. With Ntask, is super basic, super easy stuff. You can add meetings, you can add tasks, timesheets, and boards. Pretty easy to use, amazing platform. And if you are a small business owner, and if you are working online, you are looking for a platform to manage your team, then you should definitely check out Ntask. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.